So you might be trying to go ahead and actually change your iPhone name and display name on your iOS 16. So basically I show you how to change your iPhone name and your iCloud name. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's get started. Open up settings and you'll be able to see your displayed name on iCloud. So basically GrandTech is my displayed name on any iCloud where I am logging it in. So we can simply change it. If you open settings, just tap on first option, Apple ID iCloud Media and Purchases. Simply tap on it. And you'll be able some different stuff, but we select name, phone numbers and emails. So simply select second option. But you should notice when you tap on name, phone number, email, you should enter your iCloud password. If you not know this iCloud password, you can't get here. So basically you should enter your iCloud password. And simply select first option. Here says name. Simply tap on your old name. What now we can do? Simply tap on first, change your first name, then tap on middle if you want it and add your middle name, or simply delete it, and last name, change it and add something. When you finish to save all these settings, tap on done at the top right corner. Alright, now I want to share with you how you can change your iPhone name when you connecting with your friends by airdrop, or you create your personal host. As you can see, if you tap on personal host, and you'll be able to see like my phone name at Patier. So basically we can change it from main settings. So simply open up settings, then scroll down and proceed to general, and you'll be able to see about. Select it, and here is my iPhone name. Simply tap on name, change your name, then tap on done at the bottom right corner to save your new name. And when someone trying to send you something by airdrop, they will be see your iPhone name like says here. So simply you can change it and of course save it, and you can change your iPhone name every time when you want it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.